Hi, earlier in this world, everyone were happy, everyone were living a healthy life. But these days, that is not so. Everyone has pain, everyone has emotional stress. And majorly the two pain that affects a human being is emotional pain, and the major one is the body pain. The human body pain is basically of two types, acute and chronic. Acute pain is something which goes on its own. It takes around 1 week to 10 days to get resolved. But chronic pain is something which is more dangerous. You cannot bear this chronic pain. It is a pain which lasts for longer than 3 months. And once someone is affected with chronic pain, their life becomes hell. They reach to a level of emotional stress that they don't want to live life anymore. And that is the problem what we are trying to solve here. To solve pain, Fiesta has come up with its device Relief. Relief is basically working on principles of electrotherapy, phototherapy and vibrotherapy. And it has been proved that if we use these therapies systematically, the pain gets relieved and we can start getting rehabilitated so that a person starts living with pain and he keeps on continuing his work as he used to do earlier. Fiesta has designed Relief for helping people to get relieved of pain, and we specialize in areas of arthritis, low back pain, diabetic neuropathy and neck pain. Relief is a portable and a modular device. We have various models for Relief which helps in various other scenarios. Each model of Relief is specifically been used for a specific application. Thus, the patient pays only for what he needs and not for everything. The base model of Relief looks something similar to this. This provides electrical pulses to patient's body, and when the electrical pulses are passed, it helps to release the oxidative stress and thereby slowly and steadily helps to kill pain. What's unique about Relief and Fiesta? The answer is its customer support. We have designed a web portal which has an extensive knowledge base of how to use this device in its best. And when that is done, the patient is happy, and for us, we are satisfied that we have helped patients get relieved of pain. We have released the pre-order campaign in Indiegogo, and now we are looking for support from your end to pre-order it and thus help us get into market at the earliest. Thank you.